Dear friends, today we discuss about general study of fresh water is called immunology. The GM crop has highest area in order of preference to herbicide then insecticide. Aadhaar indicates unique identity card. Artificial bacteria culture is developed by Dr. Craig Venter. Blue tag in insecticide is indication of moderate toxicity, which is Indian origin fruit crops, jackfruit for virus-free seed use, meristem tip culture. Legume crop is recommended NPK dose is 1:2:2 or 1:2:1. Which variety of rice is known for longer seed length? Pusa 1121. Which is a day neutral fertilizer? Which is a neutral fertilizer? Can 25%. Calculate the amount of urea for applying 50 kg nitrogen near about 109 kg. ELISA test is used to detect fungi or virus. Common bee species cultivated worldwide is Apis mellifera. Muriate of potash is also known as potassium chloride, which contains 60% potash. Which organelles is involved in root gravity pull? Amyloplast. Which white bud of maize is due to zinc? Mobility stage of seed is due to ABA. The for which crop genome is non-sequenced papaya? GDP contributes agriculture near about present time 13.4. Current rate of fertilizer consumption in India is 128 kg per hectare. Area under transgenic crop in India is 8.4 billion hectare. Which measure of central tendency is mean deviation? Which is not measure of dispersion mean? Ear cockle is due to Anguna triticide. Support price fixed on the recommendation of CACP. The correlation coefficient will be negative when X increase and Y decrease. Phalaris minor of wheat crop controlled by 2,4-D. Crop grown on between two main crop is known as intercrops. Which source variety resistant for stem borer, bacterial leaf blight and blast of rice? IR36. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. Food grain production during 2020 to 21 to 96.7 metric ton. Which state union territory has highest fertilizer consumption? Puducherry. MOP is termed for potassium chloride, which contains 60% potash. Production of chilies in India in 2010 near about 1.2 metric ton. AR grade concentrated H2SO4 is available in which mortality? 36. Which nutrient is constituent of both protein and nucleic acid? Nitrogen. Which nutrient is essential for pollen viability in wheat? Boron. Bacteria responsible for conversion of ammonia to nitrite? Nitrosomonas. Important constituent of chlorophyll is magnesium. Which disease is caused by magnesium deficiency? To manganese deficiency to Mars spot of pea. For applying 100 kg of nitrogen, how much urea is required? 222 kg. Which crop is not completely sequenced? Sorghum. Which is a kharif crop? Bajra. MSP for general rice near about 10 to 11,000. Which is false for rice SRI technique? System of rice intensification. Use of higher dose of fertilizer. Line having similar character except one gene is called isogenic line. Banana is a autotriploid crop. CO2 acceptor enzyme in C4 plant